Hello, today we will guide you through how to export Lucidchart to Word. To begin, open your sample project in Lucidchart. Make sure the document you want to export is fully loaded and visible on your screen before moving on. This helps avoid confusion later, especially if you have multiple browser tabs or documents open. Once your project is open, look to the top of the Lucidchart window and click the three-line menu icon. This menu is where you'll find additional file and document options that are not always visible in the main workspace. After opening that menu, click on Export. This will bring up the available export choices for your document. Lucidchart offers different export formats, so this is the point where you choose how you want to move your content out of the platform. From the export options, click Microsoft Word. If you already see Microsoft Word listed, you can select it right away and continue with the export process. If Microsoft Word does not appear in the export list, don't worry. In that case, click Connect to More Apps. This will take you to the Lucid Marketplace or App Connection area where you can add extra integrations that are not currently enabled in your workspace. Once you're in that area, use the search bar to search for Word. Typing the app name directly is usually the quickest way to find the correct integration, especially if many app options are available. When Microsoft Word appears in the search results, click on Microsoft Word to open its app page. This is where you can review the connection option and begin adding it to your Lucidchart setup. Next, follow the on-screen procedure to add the integration. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your browser, operating system, or account permissions, but in general, you'll simply confirm the connection and allow Lucidchart to work with Microsoft Word. If prompted, take a moment to review any permissions before accepting them. After the connection is complete, you should be able to return to the export menu and use the Microsoft Word option for your document. That's it. You've now gone through the process of exporting a Lucidchart file to Word, including how to connect the Word integration if it isn't available at first. If you're doing this regularly, it can be helpful to keep the integration enabled so future exports are faster and more convenient.